Hey y'all, what's happening? Today, as you can see, I am at the mall. We are doing a H&M try on haul, miniature haul, whatever you want to call it. So what had happened was I bought some stuff yesterday, and I got home, and nothing fit. So I don't know where I'm at with my body. Like, I thought I was getting the right size by sizing up, because most of the stuff that I got yesterday was silk. So I got an extra large, and y'all fucking drowned in it. So I'm gonna go back and get a large. The only thing that I'm not gonna be able to do is the pants, because I checked online. I bought a 16 thinking that it was gonna fit perfect, but because it has like zero stretch, I needed an 18. But a 16 is my normal size, and I normally always fit a 16 in pants from H&M. So this is the only thing that I have to return, and I cannot replace because they do not have them, and they are sold out online. So what I did was just bought some similar, but I know they're not going to be as good quality as H&M. I just bought something similar from Fashion Nova. These crop tops, I'm gonna just show y'all real quick because I'm keeping the crops. I love crop tops, just basic ass crop tops, y'all. So I'm gonna leave that in the car. Those are $5 a piece, by the way. Like quality, like good crop tops. Like you can wash them numerous times. I always buy crop tops from them. You know, no big deal. And then I also have to return this shirt. It's a short sleeve shirt. I'll try it on in the store when I get another one. Like I said, it was just too big. The pants were the only thing that I should have sized up in. I wanted to size up in them, but like I said, they just didn't have the size that I wanted. And then I did get some other stuff. I got like 3 other things, but I sold it to my mama for 100% markup. But yeah, y'all, if y'all want to come in with me, try these clothes on, you know what I'm saying? Come on, let's go. We got time to sit in this damn car. Come on. All right, so boom, I couldn't talk in the store because, oh my god, y'all, it was so freaking crowded. Like, I couldn't even hear myself breathing now. Okay, so this is just the first little batch of stuff I took with me in the dressing room. So we got these really cute silk pants. I didn't get these the day before yesterday, well, the day before today, but yeah. So first we're gonna try on this cute ass dress, and here it is here. I'm so obsessed. Like, I didn't think I was gonna like it because, you know, it is a little long or whatever, but you know, it's cute. You can still throw that ass in it, girl. But yeah, I think it's so cute. You know, I'm gonna unbutton mine at the bottom a little bit, wear it like that. As you can see, I was trying to see, like, girl, is it giving leg? What is it giving? But it's fucking giving, if you ask me. What y'all think? I really like it. So I'm definitely gonna end up getting that. This is just another angle of it. Let me show y'all the full size view. Peep the white toes. Okay, it's giving, I don't know, it's giving something at somebody wedding. Okay, I want to get drunk in this dress and go home and slut somebody's son out. Okay, period. So next we have the matching shirt that goes with the pants, and it's just like the dress or whatever, right? So this is in a, now I don't know why I picked up them pants in the medium, because I know I got too much ass for that, but I couldn't decide on the shirt. I think I'm gonna still go back and get it. It's a size large, but it was just a little bit snug in the arms. Okay, as you can see, like, it was a little tight right there, and I ain't like that, but you know, it was definitely giving sexy. You know, the girls are sitting really pretty in it, and I think I look the fuck good in it. You know what I'm saying? Like, look at her. Oh, it's giving. I don't know what this is giving, but I like it. It's giving cute as fuck. So that is everything. We're gonna go take all this other stuff here back because clearly the shirt didn't fit, so I'm gonna get a different size shirts for that. All right, so here we is back with round 2 of our draft picks or whatever. This is the blouse that I showed y'all in the car. It's just a really pretty silky beige like top. Of course, you're gonna have to steam all this stuff because it's showing like the little wrinkle lines or whatever. So I picked that up in an extra large because that's the size that I think that I need. I'm not gonna try it on, but I will put it over my body just so y'all can get a nice feel for it. It is long, so you know, you can dress this up, you can dress it out, you can make it do what it do, and it has this really cute zipper detail in the back. So I have that in an extra large. I'm gonna hang it on this side. That's how I do my dressing room stuff, y'all. By the way, I hang it on one side of stuff that I know I'm gonna get. This blouse here, also in an extra large, is only $12.99. I love H&M because, you know, you can dress their stuff up or down. You can wear it to work or play. Okay, girl, because, you know, stuff just be high these days and it don't make no damn sense. Okay, so I'm definitely gonna get this. It has a really cute squared neck. Now, as for these other silk tops here, well, Erica, what is you doing with the camera, girl? You was in here going through it. Okay, like, dang. But yeah, these silk tops, I'm just gonna get all the sizes. I'm putting this dress on this side as well because I definitely know that I'm getting a dress, like, period. She coming home with me. Okay, So yeah, I just got all the tops now in the extra large. I got these really cute shorts as well, perfect for summer that's coming up. They are only $12.99. Let me show y'all. Did I show y'all the tag on this? Let me see here. I think I showed y'all the tag. That way, you know, you can screenshot it and get you some. Because I have matching crop tops to match these shorts. So, you know, I put them on with some dunks or whatever, or some ones. Y'all know I'm trying to get into the sneakers a little bit. I'm trying to up my game or whatever, however, try to match up with y'all. But yeah, definitely gonna be cute as fucking that. Like I said, this top is gonna be really cute. I have like a pantsuit that I wanted to wear with this. I gotta go home and find a pantsuit, but it's gonna go with a pantsuit, and I'm gonna put that on, and that's gonna look real good. So I ain't even gotta try that on because it's spandex and it's extra large, and you know I wanted to give professional, period. So this is the shirt that I showed y'all in the car, like I said, extra large. And then these other two silk tops, I also got them in a extra large, and they are only $24.99 a piece. And also, if you're new to H&M, you can sign up for their loyalty program, and you get 10% off your first purchase, and then anything you order online, I think you get like 15% off or something like that. So, you know, I'm giving y'all free game on reasons why y'all can go buy y'all some stuff. Thank me later, boo. But yeah, I also got these silk pants to go with this black silk top. I don't know, the silk, the satin, it's giving fucking luxury. It's giving money. And I also wanted some pants today because, oh, and I got these in an extra large. But yeah, I just wanted something. I just needed something. But yeah, here's the shirt on me. I have plenty arm room in it now, so this was definitely the right size. But the pants, girl, extra large, and it's giving motherfucker an oompa foompa, bitch. Like, what the hell? Now, how was the, I don't know. I just don't know. But anyway, this is the extra large. I did go back and I got an extra large in them. Because, bitch, I just don't know. The ass was poking, but, bitch, so was the stomach. So I had to go back and just get an extra large in it. Because when you wear satin, you wanted it to look cute and flowy, girl, and this was not giving cute and flowy. It was giving motherfucking trying to hold on. It's giving that one girl who insists on wearing a small, but no, she's really a large. All right, y'all, so we are just leaving the mall. I'm finna show y'all everything I end up getting real quick. I'm so hot and tired. It's windy out, and you know you can't go to the mall without getting you an Auntie Anne and strawberry lemonade. So yeah, just really quickly, I did not think I spent this much money, but somehow I did. I don't know what the fuck I did. So all together with my return, my total was $146.72. How the fuck I spent $146.72? I don't know. With $50 worth of merchandise back. So really I just spent like $200. That was not the goal. That was not my intentions. Yeah, I was planning on spending about $50. But I ain't tripping though, because I got some cute ass shit, okay? So we ended up getting, I found some of the joggers that are in the same print as the shirt and the dress that I tried on. They didn't have the shirt because like I mentioned, I needed an extra large in the shirt, and they only had the extra large, and they didn't even have, they did have the large. It was just, I just didn't like how I couldn't like move my arms like I needed to in the top. So I'm gonna try to order online, but it's not available online yet. It's only available in stores, but it is supposed to be coming soon online. I want to wear this to a wedding, so hopefully, you know, hopefully I can get this top in time for this wedding that I plan on wearing into. I ended up getting the cream and black joggers, the silk joggers as well. This is the dress that I had just mentioned. I got those shorts like I mentioned, like I showed y'all in the store. I got that square neck camisole that's gonna be really cute. What the hell else is in here? Oh, and I got those two silk button down tops. So moral of the story is, oh, and then I also got the short sleeve. This is a more, I don't know what color you want to call this. This is a more satiny color. But yeah, moral of the story is, Don't take Erica nowhere because she don't listen. So I got a bunch of, basically I just got a bag full of satin stuff. Just, I don't know, like I don't know. Like, I love wearing satin. It gives money. It gives rich bitch. You know, most people be scared to wear satin because they be saying that, you know, it gives pajamas. No, bitch, it gives money, okay? And a bitch like me, when I see something cute that I like, girl, I'm getting it in every single color. Those crop tops that I showed y'all earlier, I bought those yesterday. These are, let me just give y'all one of the tags. These retail for $5.99 a piece, and I got like 4 of them here. Let me just put that in here. I mean, overall, H&M has really stepped up their game, okay? Because I'm gonna be honest with y'all, the only reason why I even came in the store yesterday was because I was at the mall, you know, running around, you know, just being cute, being myself. And I seen these girls with these huge ass H&M bags, and I'm like, the devil is a motherfucking lie, because H&M ain't never, ever, I mean, they had, both of them had like 2 large bags like mine a piece. But I went in there, I really could have came out with another bag, but you know, I'm trying to be responsible with my life. But yeah, so I totally see why the hype is so real. The hype is so good. Like, it's not the H&M that it was a few years back. But anyway, guys, if there's any other stores that you want me to go pick some stuff out at, try some stuff on, take y'all with me, just let me know down in the comments below. Yeah, I try to pick like real budget friendly places, and also places where y'all can go at and shop at, versus, you know, going like to Metro or stuff like that, just because, you know, stores do vary, and I like stores like this where, you know, you can scan the price tag and, you know, find it in a store near you. So that's why I just went ahead and did the little H&M. But yeah, y'all, thank you so much for tuning into this video. I'm gonna go ahead and drink my drink because your girl and I'm tired. Give me a little plate of food or something. And I love y'all. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram at Danley. I love you. Don't forget to turn on your post notifications, and I will see y'all in my next video. That's good.